Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to generate and download a PDF using simple JavaScript action. So let's start. Go to here and right click on this module, go to other and just click on JavaScript action and give the name JSA PDF. Click OK and go to in the code tab and here just comment this code and simply write this code window.print and save this. Go to home web page. Suppose I want to generate the PDF of this page and download this. Just go to here and take a button. Open this, give the name PDF, and in the on click, select call a nanoflow and create a new nanoflow. Give the name ACT PDF. Click OK and and open this nanoflow. And here just simply drag and drop this JavaScript action. Now save this. Everything is ready. Now run the application. After running this, go to browser and just click on this button. But after clicking on this button, you will get a new window and you can download the PDF of this page using this button. Just click here and you can see here we are getting everything like button name, logo and language widget. So how we can remove this? Just go to MX Studio Pro and here just right click on this. Now, click here, mark as UI resource module. After this, open styling. Go to open main.scss and here write a simple CSS code. Just write at the rate media space print, then open curly braces and here make a custom CSS class dot ignore. And after this, use curly braces and here just write display colon none and save this. Just copy this class name. Go to home web page. Suppose we don't want to print this button name. Just open this. Go to appearance and here pass the class name. Click OK. Now save this and run the application. After running this, go to browser and click on this button. You can see button name has been removed from here. So just go to here. Suppose if we want to remove this as well, just go to here, open this, go to appearance and here paste the class name. Ignore, click OK. Run this. Browser, click on this button and you can see contents have been removed from this PDF. So I hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.